fish. Yeah. Hey, cast. Fish on. Oh shit. You got wet. Yeah. Jag passar ner nu. Alltså men. Okej. Så. Ara. Ja. Vete libre, Luda. Quarenta, cuidado. Olha isso aqui, mano. Oh! Ah! Broke off. Lost it. Yeah. Down the reef. Fuck, man. Damn, boys, we lost a big one. I couldn't do anything. Went straight to the rock, and also a little bit dark, so I couldn't see where the fish were. But when I saw it, alright, too late. There was a reef in front of me, and I lost my lucky lure. Hopefully I can get it back next time. When a subscribe come, I will ask him to bring him one for me. But yeah, man, that's fishing. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And this time I lost. Damn. I don't mind people ask how much pound I use. For me, pound doesn't matter. Like how many times I land big fish on 20-pound braid, 40-pound fluorocarbon. Just if you're luck, it doesn't go in the rocks, or it depends where you're fishing. The thing is, normally I fish to the left, but today, like, I have 2-3 rocks next to me, so I can't fish where I normally fish. So I decided to just fish where the rocks is. So I expect that to happen, but as always, expect unexpected, right? As I told the guy that's with me today, when the sun comes up, something's gonna happen. Always. Whew. I'm going to use a twitch bait. I didn't have any luck yet with twitch bait over here, but that's the only big lure I have right now. I don't have any other kind of lure I can use. I got wet, man. I got freaking wet. That's rock fishing. Love it. That's why I bring tourists to the rocks to experience different kind of fish that are not used to it. They fish most time maybe canals or freshwater, different kind of fishing, not the rocks. And yeah, you need to love it. You have to be patient. If you're not, don't do it. Like I always preach, you will cast more than 1,000 times for sure, and when it happen, it will happen. And make sure you land it, or just enjoy the fight like I did enjoy it a couple minutes ago. Without landed. It is what it is. Going to continue fishing. Not give up. You could get one more bite. Hopefully. Sun's already up. Yes, guys. Winds pick up. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. I also see my face because the GoPro is over there, I'm over here. Oh, what a morning. So I didn't make an intro. I don't like to make intro during the dark. But the idea was to bring a tourist to the rock. I will be using a small deep dive because we need top water. It has a nice top water on. And from there we'll go fish all the spots. I'm going to try to make more than one video for sure. Like this one already is one video for sure. With the fight after more than 100 times casting. Yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed the action, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And as always, expect us bad guys, fish on, never give up. I'm going to keep casting. If you get something, you guys will see it. Otherwise, we'll see you guys until next time. Peace out.